Hi, it's AI Lisa here. Welcome back to Ask the Instructor, presented by Campus Mortgage. Today's question is, the borrower applies for an FHA loan on a property with recently installed energy-efficient upgrades, including solar panels and enhanced insulation. How do underwriters handle this scenario? Here is what our mortgage instructor has to say. Determine whether the energy-efficient features were financed through a property-assessed clean energy lien or a separate loan. If the improvements are subject to a lien, it must not take first lien priority over the FHA mortgage. Documentation, such as the installation contract and payment terms, must be reviewed. In many cases, monthly payments related to lease systems, like solar panels, must be included in the debt-to-income ratio unless fully prepaid. Furthermore, the appraiser must confirm the upgrades are permanently affixed and add contributory value. Ultimately, FHA guidelines require all improvements to meet marketability and safety standards. This concludes our 1-minute video. If you liked this video, please help us by clicking the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. And remember, at Campus Mortgage, we offer a variety of comprehensive mortgage training and certification programs. To learn how we can help jumpstart your mortgage career, simply download our course catalog at campusmortgage.org. Thank you, and make it a great day.